Hi everyone. In this section, I would like to discuss about VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is most important part of Excel. Without VLOOKUP, you cannot imagine the Excel. You know why? VLOOKUP is used to data extractions. If you want to extract data from one set into your another set, then VLOOKUP is very useful. So let's see the definition part of VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP fetches columns data vertically from database range as per lookup value. So it means VLOOKUP extract data in vertical order. So let's see here I have written the definition part. So VLOOKUP extract data in vertical order. In VLOOKUP, we cannot extract data from left column. This is a drawback of VLOOKUP. Another drawback is if Neha is repeated multiple times in your data sets, you cannot get all Neha's data. So if you are applying VLOOKUP, your VLOOKUP is applied on unique data. So if name is unique in your data set, so it means if Neha, Aman, Suman, Rishabh, Piyush, Mehdi, these are should be in unique in your data set. So here is my data set 1. In this data set, all the value which is available in this set, it should be unique in this data set. Okay. So on the basis of, I have already told you, we cannot extract data from left side of lookup value. My lookup value is name. If I want to pick name to ID, so here is my name. I want to pick the ID. It's not possible through the VLOOKUP only. But we can easily extract data from right side of the column. It means from left side to right side, we can extract data through the VLOOKUP, but we cannot extract data from left column of the lookup value. What is left column here? On the basis of name, my lookup value is name. Through the name, I can't extract ID using only VLOOKUP, but we can extract department, basic salary, TA, DA, HRA, total salary. These are column we can easily extract through the VLOOKUP. Let's see the practical approach, how we can do it. So here is my lookup value name. So name is our lookup value. On the basis of this name, I want to pick the total salary and department. So let's see. Here I'm applying VLOOKUP function. In VLOOKUP function, we have 4 parameters. My first parameter is lookup value. Second parameter is table array. Third parameter is call index number. Fourth parameter is optional parameter, which is a range lookup. Why we can say this is an optional parameter? Because this parameter is available in square bracket. That's why we can say this is a optional parameter. If you are not putting any optional parameter, definitely you will get data here. You will not get any error. Okay. So let's see about lookup value. Lookup value is our name. On the basis of name, I want to pick the data. So name is our lookup value. So here I'm taking reference of name. Here I have taken the first name, and here it's mandatory to fix the range reference. So here I'm freezing, press F4 3 times. First time I'm freezing row and column both. Second time, I'm freezing row. Third time, I'm freezing column. Okay. So why I'm freezing here column? My column, D column has all the listed name, but row is changed in every name. Here, row number 5 has Neha, row number 6 has Aman, row number 7 has Suman, row number 8 has Rishabh, vice versa. So what do you have to do? Here, you need to put the comma. Now, I have to take table array. So table array, you have to go to data sets and take data range. From where I will take the data range? If I'm taking data range from ID to name total salary, this is a wrong data selection. Why? My lookup value is name. So I need to select the data from name to total salary. Okay. Now, if I'm taking data range, most of the time data range is completely fixed. So you will have to press F4 only one time. I have freezed through the F4, comma. Now call index number. So see here, my lookup value is name. So from name, I need to take total salary. I need to extract the total salary. From name, total salary is column number 7. How? You have to count name, first column, second column is department, third column basic salary, fourth column is TA, fifth column is DA, sixth column HRA, seventh column is total salary. You have to put down the column index number as a 7 because from this name to total salary, column number is 7th, comma. Now, here you have two options, true, false. Instead of true, we can apply 1. Instead of false, we can apply 0 also. So true means approximate match. If my lookup value is name, name is not exactly matching from this data list, this name list. If you are applying 0 here, true here, then you will get data. But this is not right things. Always, most of the time, you have to use false. False means if your lookup value will exactly match from name list, then you will get data. Otherwise, you will get an error. So let's see. Here I'm taking false. So double click here. I have taken the false. Instead of false, you can take 0 as well. 0 is similar to false. Bracket close. Now I'm pressing enter. See here, I'm getting total salary and drag in downside. Control D. So Aman, Suman, Rishabh is not matching from our data sets. That's why you are getting error. Neha is matching, so you are getting data for Neha. Piyush is matching. So here you are getting data. Maddie is matching from data sets, so you are getting data. Let's see, do we have Aman, Suman or Rishabh in our data set? So let's see. This is Amar, not Aman. Aman is not available in our data sets. Suman is also not available. So see here. Suman is not available in our data set. And last is Piyush. Piyush is also not available in our data sets. That's why you are not getting total salary as a result. So if you are getting error here, you want to replace this error with message. So how we can remove the error through the message? So you will have to apply here if if error, then you have to take message. After VLOOKUP, you have to take message, no data, enter. Now you will not get error. So you have to drag in downside, you will get message instead of error. Okay. Now I'll let you know how we can pick the department through the VLOOKUP. So you need to apply here VLOOKUP. Your first parameter is lookup value. So you have to take reference of this lookup value. Name is our lookup value. On the basis of name, I need to pick the department. So you have to take reference of name. Here, I'm not freezing anything. So let's see, if I'm not freezing, then it will not impact as of now. I will let you know how freezing part impact your function. As of now, I'm not freezing, comma. In table array, you have to go there and take complete range of data from name to total salary. And here, I'm if I'm not taking complete data range, I'm taking complete column reference, B2H. So here I have taken complete column reference, B2H. I'm not freezing anything. So it will not impact anything on my formula. I will get data, comma. What is column number of department from name? Name is first column, department is second column. So column index number, call index number means column index number. In column index number, you have to put down the column number 2 department. So you have to take 2, comma, then you have to take 0, bracket close, enter. Now you can see here you are getting department. So even you are getting error again. So how we can replace the error? I have already told you, you have to apply here if error. If error function is used to replace your error with certain message. So here I'm taking no data, enter. Now error will be replaced with this message, no data. That's all for this section. Thank you so much.